Most of you know REGO-FIX as the inventor of the ER collet. "53 years back, we invented the ER collet, becoming one of the easiest to use collet system, and of course very, very high precision already. Even today, we're investing a lot into the ER collet, but at the same time, the demand on the market has changed. So it's now more and more, we need to have more accurate tools. We want to have a better lifetime of the tools. And this, of course, you can achieve with a good tool holding system, especially when talking about a run out we have on our system. So from the ER collet as a simple to use, let's say, collet system, we have now improved over the years, coming through the different stages, going into the powRgrip system. The powRgrip system, it's a very easy to use and versatile system where we can easily change a tool and still getting a 3 microns run out. And this, of course, has changed in the industry. The demand is getting bigger. We need to have a better run out, a better tool life, faster machining, the parts getting smaller. We're getting into medical, dental. There's a lot of higher demands in regards to precision, in regards to fast machining, in regards to time saving. REGO-FIX has brought a lot of products that helps you to improve your productivity, your product innovation, to come up with a faster setting up process, like with our tool wipe system we have just introduced. Gives you a faster setting up of your process, to getting the cutting data right, to getting your process right at the first time with small changes. So this will improve your daily life, and of course it will help you to be more competitive in this very demanding market at the moment.